In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work effectively with grid lines in a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're crafting a detailed slide deck or refining an existing one, understanding how to manage grid lines can be crucial for aligning objects and creating a visually appealing presentation. Let's dive right in. First off, you want to begin by opening the specific PowerPoint presentation file that you intend to work on. This is your workspace for today's task. Once your PowerPoint file is open and you have your slides in front of you, we're ready to move to the next step. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the menu bar. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the View tab. This tab holds a host of options that allow you to tweak and adjust how your slide appears as you're working on it. It's especially useful when you're trying to get the layout just right. On the right section of the View tab, you'll see a segment labeled Show. Now within this Show section, you'll notice there's a checkbox labeled Grid Lines. These grid lines are your allies in maintaining precision across your slides. If you're trying to line up images, text boxes, or other elements, grid lines can be incredibly helpful, offering invisible yet essential guides. To bring up these guiding lines on your slide, all you need to do is check the box next to Grid Lines. Click once, and like magic, grid lines will span your slide, providing a structured layout for aligning your elements. This can be especially valuable if precision and symmetry are a big part of your design aesthetic. However, there might be occasions where having too many lines on the screen could distract or interrupt your design process, or when you're ready to present, and the grid lines are no longer needed. In such cases, removing them is as simple as bringing them up. You just need to uncheck the same box next to Grid Lines. The grid lines will vanish, leaving behind a cleaner, unobstructed view of your slide. With these handy tips, you now have the flexibility to add or remove grid lines as your project demands. It's a small adjustment, yet one that can vastly improve the clarity and professionalism of your presentations. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully learned how to toggle grid lines on and off in PowerPoint. Feel free to apply this technique as you build or refine your presentations to ensure everything is aligned perfectly. We hope you found this guide clear and useful. As always, thank you for watching and good luck with your next presentation.